That isn't business. That is predation. They are banking on your ignorance. There's nothing more profitable in 2026 than your ignorance. There's no doubt if they slap up a flat decal on a Chinese card, you start asking questions. You start checking the VIN. You stop looking at the battery. You just hand over your credit card like a good little patriot. I hate to break it to you, but you didn't buy American. You bought a lie wrapped in red, white, and blue. And today I'm going to show you exactly how much that lie cost you. Let's rip the band off. Not sure if you walk into a dealership and see 5 different American brands, you are likely looking at 5 cards from the same factory, somewhere in China. Brand A calls it the Patriot, brand B calls it the Liberator, brand C calls it the Eagle. That's just assumed this way. But under the plastic, it is the same chassis, the same controller, the same battery. It is not a competition. It's a costume party. And look, I am in this industry. White labeling is normal. Global supply chains are smart, but here is where I get spicy. When a brand takes a card I know costs $9,000 to build, builds on a set of wheels in Florida, and charges you $22,000 because they claim it was born in the USA. That isn't business. That is predation. They are banking on your ignorance. They are betting $10,000 that you won't lift that seat. So, stop being a sucker for a logo. If you pay a premium, pay for the specs. Pay for a better battery. Pay for a Curtis controller. Pay for a wielded friend. But do not pay for a sticker. You want to know the truth? The most American thing about a card is the capitalist markup is stacked on it. It's 2026. The secret is out. Check the VIN, check the components. If the dealer can't tell you exactly which factory built it, walk away. Simple as that. Or, just send me $5,000. I'll send you a sticker. Just joking.